You've done a great job attracting leads and converting them to customers. Well done. But now what? A simple analysis technique, RFM, can be used to positively impact your digital marketing and the success of your business. And when I say positively impact, I'm likely underselling it. RFM used with discipline will have a significant impact on your business. So what is RFM? RFM is an acronym for recency, frequency, and monetary. RFM analysis is based on the idea that the customer who bought from you most recently, who buys from you most frequently, and who spends the most money with you is the customer most likely to buy again. RFM analysis was first used by direct mail, nonprofit, and catalog marketers. Direct mail and catalogs are expensive to produce. RFM data analysis was used to target customers that are most likely to buy again. This could be a donation or another purchase from the catalog. It could also be a cross-sell or an upsell. The reasoning behind the practice is simple. People who donate or bought from you in the past are more likely to buy or donate again. The more recently this has happened, the more likely that it will happen again. The more often it happens, the more likely it will happen again. You get the idea. Basically, RFM analysis is used to identify and target a business's best customers. Targeting them will maximize the return on marketing spend, and it lets you focus your marketing on the folks who have the most need, which means they are more likely to see your ads and take action. It also minimizes your marketing spend on people with limited need for your product or service, the people who are not likely to see your ads or take action. RFM scoring is especially effective when it's used to segment email marketing lists, but this isn't the only way it can be used. In this next section, I'll talk about two things: how to use RFM to segment your customers and how to use these segments to improve the efficacy of your acquisition marketing. Let's get into it. Customers are ranked for each RFM parameter score: bought recently, buy frequently, and total spend. Then each quintile in the resulting ranked file is assigned a ranking number of 1 through 5, with 5 being the highest score. The three scores put together are the RFM score. The top score would be 15. This would be a perfect score and your ideal customer. Every business is unique, so where you find the data will be unique as well. Generally, you can use a spreadsheet software to add up the scores and to generate the scoring. I will add a link to another video that explains this. There are times when each parameter is given a weight. This is a nuance that can be used after some time has passed and experience gained. But don't wait for this. You can use RFM immediately. Most small businesses don't use any analysis to manage their marketing. So if all you do is use simple RFM analysis to improve your marketing efficiency, you will be ahead of the competition. One quick and easy thing to do would be to tag high-scoring customers in your email service provider and use email marketing to make them feel special. They already know that they are important customers. Make sure they know that you know. As I've described in another video, the link will be in the description, there are 5 relationship marketing principles, and the 4th states, good customers expect to be rewarded. RFM analysis tells you who these customers are. Another option would be to use the RFM audience segments to create a custom audience in Facebook Ad Manager. You can target this audience directly with ads for products that will interest them. You could also use the best customer custom audience to create a lookalike audience. These would be Facebook users who aren't your customers today, but they look just like your best customers. This increases the likelihood that your marketing will attract high-quality prospects into a digital marketing funnel, prospects that look just like your best customers. Although RFM calculations and analysis are useful tools, you want to use the information carefully. For example, you should avoid over-soliciting customers with the highest rankings. Use the 70-20-10 rule. 70% of your content is designed to create value for customers. 20% is curated content that your customers will value, and 10% is product or sales oriented. Conversely, marketers should remember that consumers with lower RFM scores, while they shouldn't be ignored, are unlikely to ever be great customers. They simply don't need your product as much as your best customers do. RFM analysis helps identify these customers too. They will be the majority of your customers, but they don't represent the majority of your sales. So don't spend your budget on them. This also suggests that they aren't engaged in the category. Their need is low, so even if you focus marketing on them, they are unlikely to see it. The reality is, all the marketing in the world is not going to change how much or how often they need your product. Finally, your customers can change. You should repeat the RFM analysis periodically. Some folks will drop out of the top scoring group. Their needs or circumstances may have changed, or they may have started using your competitors' products. The fifth relationship marketing principle states, the next most crucial time is when the relationship is at risk. RFM analysis gives you the signals you need to try to win them back. Equally, a customer who's recently moved into the top rank should be appreciated. As we've already mentioned, good customers expect to be rewarded. If this shift should happen, it's not because of your marketing. Sorry. Their circumstances have likely changed, or they're choosing your product more often than your competitor's product. Yay! Acknowledge them. Remember the third relationship marketing principle. In relationships, continually reinforce the decision to buy. We've covered at a high level what RFM analysis is and how to calculate the score, and explored some ways that it can be used to make your marketing more effective. For greater marketing success, use RFM analysis to identify your best customers, build a best customer marketing program that will reduce churn and cross and upsell appropriate products and services, and use targeted digital marketing to find more customers like your best customers. Thank you for your attention on this. If you'd like to discuss how you can use RFM to improve your digital marketing, you can book time with me by going to vipchatwithjames.com. That's vipchatwithjames.com. I'd be happy to discuss RFM or any other digital marketing questions.